Okay, hi guys. If you watched the video that I posted on the other channel, I demonstrated how to use this same strategy on nasdaq 100. Basically, you don't need indicators, you don't need any of that other stuff to trade with this strategy. You can use it to trade NAS 100 and you can use it to trade US30. I think that's the Dow. I'm not sure, you will correct me. But it's a simple strategy. Again, if you are struggling with trading indices, which I think, in my opinion, are easier to trade than Forex, yeah, this is one strategy that you can use and practice with it. If you don't get results with it at first, I suggest you practice and find how to use it, because really it's so simple. It's so simple to use this strategy, especially when you're targeting NAS 100 and US30. So if you haven't watched that other video, how do we trade with this strategy? Basically, what we are looking for are points of support and resistance. We are looking for points of support and resistance. Let me plot something here as an example. I usually prefer horizontal support and resistance. I know some people love trend lines and some people love channels and stuff, but with this strategy we are basically using horizontal support and resistance. So trying to move this thing, what's happening? Are my fingers not that, my screen not that sensitive to my fingers? Okay. Okay, let me use another line, otherwise we're going to be here until, I don't know, again. Okay, something like that. That's what I was looking for. Then let's find another level. You can practice with this strategy. Practice with it until it makes sense to you. Let's do that. I missed that point. Just there. Yes. And let's do this right on the dot. Let's add another level. I'm just plotting somewhere there. Somewhere there. It's refusing to move. But you get the point. So we are basically looking for points of support and resistance. After plotting our support and resistance, what are we going to be looking for? That's how you are going to be trading with this strategy. You are going to hunt for wicks. This strategy, you are going to hunt for wicks there. And you need these wicks to conform to a certain requirement. Don't worry about the candles. Don't worry about the candle sizes, about the candle shape, about the candle color. Don't worry about the candles. Don't pay attention to the candles. Don't worry about the candles. What you need is the wicks. They are the signal. The wicks are the signal. So you need the wicks when they come in to be stopping at a similar level. You need the wicks when they come in to be stopping or ending at a similar level, which shows you that price does not want to go down. Price is not interested in going down, but price wants to go back up. This is the US30. I'm on the 1 hourly chart. If you watched the other video, I'll leave a link in the comments box below where I explain this strategy fully. You'll see that I was using the H4 chart, the 4 hourly chart, but here I'm demonstrating that it also works on the hourly chart with US 30. So you need to hunt for these wicks. The wicks they must stop at a similar price level like they are doing here. It's an indication that there is some interest in this level, in this price level. There is interest in this price level, and this is an hourly chart. So that's 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hours. Price is hanging on this level. What do you think is going to happen? It goes up. So that's how I've been milking US30 and NAS 100 with this strategy. You are just hunting for wicks. Here, same deal. Minimum, you need 2 wicks that come into a similar price level like happened there. And what happened? It went up. Forget what the candlesticks were doing here. Forget what the candlesticks were doing here. It went up. Of course, you are not going to win 100% with this strategy. If anyone tells you that there's a strategy that they can give you, you are always winning 100%, you are about to get scammed. I always say you are about scammed and you should run. So this strategy is still profitable. It's still profitable. It's a simple strategy that's very profitable. But you are not going to expect it to work 100% of the time. You are going to need to have patience. Be a patient trader, and you are going to need to understand how to manage your money. Trading is about capital preservation. You need to protect your capital, so you need to do your risk management. Don't just put all your account into one trade. Despite you seeing that there is a potential sell trade here, look at those wicks. Look at those wicks. They came back into similar level and it sold. Look at these 2 weeks. Look at these 2 weeks. Don't worry about the candles. Don't look at the candles. Don't look at the candles. Look at the wicks. We are hunting wicks. The wicks came and they ended similar level. And boom, it went up. Is this coincidence? Is this coincidence? It happened again there. The wicks came back into this level and price went up. You can see something was happening there and price went down. Uh, can you say it's just random coincidence? It happened here. It happened here. Can you say it's just random chance? It happened there. So with this strategy, we are going to be hunting those wicks. Is it coincidence? Look here. What happened here? Is it coincidence? Is it chance? Is it just chance? Here I wouldn't have placed a trade because some of the wicks they are down, some of the it's weekly. I'll probably have taken a chance here because I need the wicks when they end to be ending at a similar price level. When it's weekly there, no, I don't enter. That's patience. Don't try to force trades. You must have rules and you must conform to those rules. If you lose, so what? You lose, you are conforming to your rules, you keep your money, you don't lose your money in the market. So it's a simple strategy. This week's coming back into this price level, and boom, it went down. Here it's weekly, so I wouldn't have taken it. Here the wicks again interested in that price level, sell. When it's weekly we don't take it. Here the wicks they are interested in that price level, we buy. Don't worry about the candle, don't worry about what the candle is saying, you go up. Like I said, you are probably not going to win 100% of the time. That's why you need to understand to preserve your money. So you have your trailing stop loss, your stop loss, and you take profit. Here, there was a buy there. There was a sell there. There was a sell there. There was a buy there. Now, there was a sell there. There was a sell there. There was a buy there. Now, can you say that all of this is by random chance? Can you say all of this is by random chance? Okay, so I hope you have learned something from this strategy. Practice it, and like this video. Let's get this video in front of as many people as possible so that we share this free knowledge, so that everyone makes money. We share this free knowledge. That's one of the goals of this channel, to share free knowledge. When I started my trading journey, nobody was giving knowledge for free, and I know I've been there, I know you are there. We do not always afford the fees that we are charged by these mentors, by these course managers, by these mentors, and these guys were organizing the courses. So let's share these videos and help each other. Let's share these videos and help each other. So like this video and let's get it shared by YouTube to as many people as possible, so that we all learn this trading for free. Okay, until next time, let's meet in the next video. Leave your comments in the comments box below and share the video. Okay, bye.